Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the Locket Widget app on your iPhone. So if you don't know how to use the Locket Widget app on your iPhone, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Locket Widget app on your device, and make sure that you are also logged into your account. So if you are not logged in and if you don't know where to install the Locket Widget app from, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device, and you will be able to create the account by opening the app. So as you can see, this is the page where you will be landed into the Locket Widget app, and here you will see the option of flashlight, and here you will see the option of shutter like this and all of it. So simply long press on the shutter button to take a video, but if you want to take a photo, you may simply tap on it once and a photo will be taken, and you may also share it with your friends, families, siblings and all of it from the Locket Widget app. So if you click on the option of history, here you will be able to see the pictures which you have shared with your friends and all of it. So if you click on the option of everyone at the very top, you will be able to see with everyone, but if you click on the option of you'll be able to see the photos which you have sent with your friends and all of it. So if you scroll like this at the very right side of the screen, then a message will appear. So you just need to add friends on the Locket, and you'll be able to text with them from here. So if you swipe from the very left side, then it will take you to the profile page of the Locket Widget, where you'll see the option of your names, the things which you have done on May, and the widgets which you have sent on the number of May and all of it. So after clicking on the option of settings at the very top of the page, here you will see the options like edit name, edit birthday, change email address and all of it. So scroll down, and here you will see the option of delete accounts, sign out and all of it. So that's it. That's how you can use the Locket Widget app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.